How to fix the maximum number of attempts to retry again later login error in TikTok. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is long press on your TikTok app. With that, you will get the option of clear cache. Click on it. You will see the option of cache. Just click on this option of clear. Click on clear. Once you clear cache for your TikTok app, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open your settings app. Now scroll down and find the option of TikTok. Once you find the option of TikTok, open it. Over here, you will find different options as microphone, camera, and so on. Just enable all these options. Once you enable these options, you can check your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open your TikTok. Go to your profile page. At the top right, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Go to the option settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down. Click on the option of report a problem. Now from this page, you can report about your issue. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix the maximum number of attempts to retry again later login error in TikTok. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.